Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Publisher, you can set the page size, orientation, and margins for your publication. To do this, click the Page Design tab in the ribbon. The buttons that control the page setup of the publication appear in the Page Setup button group on this tab. You can click the Margins drop-down button to set the margins for your current publication from the preset options. To set custom margin guides for the publication instead, select the Custom Margins command from the button's drop-down menu. Doing this will open the Layout Guides dialog box and display the Margin Guides tab. In the Master Pages section, check the Two-Page Master checkbox if you need to set margins for a two-page master. In the Margin Guides area, enter custom margins into the left, right, top, and bottom spinner boxes. When finished, click the OK button to apply the margins to your publication. The margins appear within your publication as the blue lines that surround the page. When designing your publication, ensure that you do not place any content you want to print into the designated margin area. To switch the page orientation from portrait to landscape and vice versa, click the Orientation drop-down button in the Page Setup button group on the Page Design tab. Then choose the type of page orientation to apply. Choose a page size from the Size drop-down button in the Page Setup button group on the Page Design tab in the ribbon. To apply a custom page size, orientation, and margins by using the Page Setup dialog box instead, either click the Page Setup dialog box launcher in the lower right corner of the Page Setup button group on the Page Design tab in the ribbon, or click the Size drop-down button in that same button group, and then choose the Page Setup command from that button's drop-down menu. In the Page Setup dialog box, you can enter the height and width of the paper into the width and height spinner boxes that appear in the page section. In the Margin Guides section below that, enter the desired margins into the top, left, bottom, and right spinner boxes. In the Layout Type section, use the drop-down to choose a page layout. For the selected layout type, enter any additional settings in the Options section. When finished, then click the OK button to apply your settings to the publication.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.